What up, YouTube? Brokefarmer back for another video on this beautiful day. And today is my first weigh-in. Am I the Watermelon King? You gotta stay tuned. But that crown might be covering my head at the end of this video, y'all. Couldn't it? Y'all saw it? Alright, let's put it on now. Charleston Gray. Let's check it. Tendril brown. Tendril is brown. Right there. Let's pull her. Let me see. She ain't 40 pounds. Oh well, we're gonna keep trying. I wouldn't even disrespect Watermelonwarz by weighing this. You are a disappointment. I should have kept them seeds and sold them for 50 cents a piece. I take that back, for a dime a piece. I'm just saying, you are not the one, but the one is coming. Yeah, it's been hard shrimping with these watermelon this year. I'm eating plenty now. Don't get it twisted. Trying to get a couple big boys. I still grow the most watermelon. I still grow the most. You ready? You ready to come in the house? All right, I'm gonna leave y'all out there for a little while longer. Okay. All right. You ain't ready yet. Let me see. Is you ready yet? You ready to come in the house? Where your tendril? Not yet? Okay. All right, that's fine. All right, y'all, I'm on a hunt for a 40-pound watermelon. You ain't ready yet? Okay. All right, we're gonna keep looking, y'all. I know it's a 40-pounder out here somewhere. No, you ain't 40 yet. You ain't 40 yet. No, you ain't 40 yet. Let me see. Can I find that 40? All right, y'all. When I say I enjoyed Watermelonwarz this year, I have enjoyed it. We got absolutely one more month in Watermelonwarz. Am I gonna be the winner? Yeah, probably. I'm just warming up. My plant's off to the races. But to everybody who's still trying to win it, go for it. Yeah, I'm gonna talk trash, but it's all about your growth. Not just your watermelons, but just your growth in gardening. If you can grow a nice sized watermelon, then you can grow anything else in the garden. Anything. Watermelon to me is one of the hardest things to grow a big one of. It's more challenging than tomatoes, bell peppers, or even fruit trees. They need constant help. So if I'm not the Watermelon King, I'm still gonna eat a lot of watermelon. Don't get none of that confused. I'm gonna eat a lot of watermelon every year. Every year. But with no further ado, let me give y'all this weigh-in. And y'all say what you will. I am the king though. The king. YouTube, the time we've all been waiting for. Time to put Big Mama on the scale. Couldn't it? Y'all saw it. Roll it back. Oh, she heavy. Oh, God. Lee. Watermelon in the hand. No edits. No cuts. This one heavy. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's about to throw my back out. All right, y'all. I said the whole year I wanted a 40. I don't think this one is a 40, y'all. Got my scale. All right. scale on 0. That is the scale. Turn it back on. See the zeros? All right, let's put it on now. £26. What?
Down.
Now I know what some of y'all thinking. He didn't win. I definitely won. Let's say that. I definitely won. I'm sitting in, of course the lawnmower going. I'm sitting in my backyard eating the most delicious watermelon ever. Got done delicious. But is it over? Is it over? Y'all don't think I got no more big watermelons out there coming along? Don't talk too much trash. Too fast. That's next year's winner I just spit over there. I spit out winners, baby. Don't worry about this watermelon. I spit out winners. Do you hear what I'm saying? I still got time to be Watermelon King. #1, baby. Don't never forget that. Brokefarmer for the big win is coming, baby. I'm getting the small ones out the way so I can be your 2024 Watermelonwarz King, baby. Put the crying on me. Where you at? Over here? Put the crying on me. I ain't got time to play with y'all no more. Bye.